Guys, so I'm going to do a little exhaust video today on the 95. It's got the inline 6 4.9. Hey, Mighty, hang on. Mighty, no. Mighty, come. Come on.
That was
Chasing neighbor's cat. Come on, girl.
head so tight.
Anyhow,
Good job,
so
honey.
on this truck, I've just got a muffler delete. So if it'll come up, right there's where I cut it off. It's right underneath the cab. It's technically not legal. It's still got the cats on it though, but all the pipe to the tail from here back is gone. It's sitting in here. Anyway, I had a little piece of pipe coming out in front of this tire, but the exhaust clamps come loose and it was starting to fall off, so I just took it off. Anyway, so I'm gonna do a ride along and then a drive-by real quick. So. The drive-by. Hop, guys, ready? y'all have it. And someday I may straight pipe it, but you know, of course I totally wouldn't do that because that's illegal and it's illegal already. So yeah, I will never straight pipe it. Anyway, y'all have a great night.